I got distracted by cars. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Southview Acura. My name is Amanda and this is the 2018 ILX A-Spec in Catalina Blue Pearl. Let's go for a drive. With the 2018 ILX A-Spec, you do get a couple cosmetic upgrades. So you do get those 18-inch alloy wheels that are in shark gray. And the shark gray to me just looks so sporty. You also get that rear deck spoiler and those side skirts, which just give that body that extra sleek look, more sporty, again with that A-Spec badging. And the seats are extremely comfortable. You do have that luxurious ultra suede paneling in the center of your seat. Of course, it is leather. I guess while we are going a leisurely 60, we can talk about that engine. This is a 2.4 four-cylinder naturally aspirated engine. And we're looking at 201 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque. With that A-Spec badging, you do get metal pedals, which definitely look sporty. They definitely have that supercar feel, even if you're just driving a sedan in Terwilliger. Your ILX does have those two LCD screens. Top one is nice and shaded from the sun. Right now I have an A-Spec navigation package, so I do have navigation on for me. And the top screen is controlled by the dial and buttons. The lower screen, which is primarily for your audio system, is also for your dual zone climate control. This is a nice little car. I haven't driven a car in a ride along yet. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. You know what else I actually really appreciate about this ILX is there's a nice flat floorboard, which you don't find very often in sedans. A lot of the time you have that center hump. And I grew up with a family of 5, and that center seat was like the punishment seat because you always had that hump. All right, so we're getting close back to Southview Acura. I'm gonna pull into the parking lot and we're gonna finish up with my final thoughts. All right, so that is the 2018 ILX A-Spec in Catalina Blue Pearl. My final thoughts are I really like this car. This is a really good drive and I think I would happily upgrade to an ILX. It is one of the most affordable vehicles on our lot and it is still a luxury vehicle. I had so much fun taking this vehicle out for a test drive today, and if you want to take this out for a test drive too, come down and see us at 9820 34th Avenue in Edmonton, Alberta. If you want to call to book a test drive or if you have any questions at all for us, please feel free to give us a phone call at 780-989-8888. Once again, my name is Amanda and this has been Southview Acura's Ride Along blog. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Pretty sure it's going to be that TLX, but maybe we'll start popping some new vehicles in here. Thank you so much.